I am Dr. P. Usha Rani. Today I am going to explain about the topic E8601 solid state drives unit 2. One of the topic single phase fully controlled rectifier control of DC separately excited motor. I have solved the exercise problem of GK Dubey 5.36. In that I have taken MCQ 2 questions. We'll see the question now. A 220 volt, 1500 RPM, 10 amps, separately excited DC motor has an armature resistance of 2 ohm from a single phase fully controlled rectifier with an AC source voltage of 230 volt. Assuming continuous conduction, calculate firing angle alpha for half the rated motor torque and 500 RPM. They are given 4 options. Option A 68.02 degree, option B 68.26 degree, option C 68.96 degree, option D 68.5. Which one is the correct one? You have to work out and tell. You have to mention the correct answer. For that, the solution for this, how to solve is, first you have to write the data of the given values of IA 10 amps given in the question, RA 2 ohm and VA 220 volt. For rated operation, you have to calculate your E. The formula is E is equal to VA minus IA RA. So I have substituted E is equal to VA value as 220 minus IA as 10 into RA as 2 ohm. So if you simplify that, your answer for E as 200 volt. This is for rated operation. You have to calculate first step E value. Okay, you calculated E as 200 volt. Then as per the question, you E at 500 RPM and they have mentioned half the rated value. So for half the rated value means your IA as 10 amps is given in the question. So half means 50% of that. So 5 amps. Okay, 50% means 5 amps. Now for this given speed, okay, what is your E value? You have to work out. For rated operation, you have calculated E value as 200 volt. Now for 500 RPM, how much is your E? You have to work out. For that, you have substituted 500 by 1500 into 200, okay, which is equal to 66.67 volt. If you know E value, you can calculate VA, where VA is equal to E plus IA RA. So I just substituted 66.67 plus IA as 5 into RA as 2 ohm. So if you work out, the sum is 76.67 volt. Now I know my VA, where VA, another formula for fully controlled converter for DC drives, VA is equal to 2 Bm by pi into cos alpha. Okay, so I have substituted, I know my VA, so which is 76.67. I know my VM, which is given in the question 230 volt. 230 volt. So I need maximum value means into root 2 I have to put. In that only alpha is the unknown one. I have to find out alpha. So I'm just substituting V as 76.67 and 2 into Bm. Bm as 230 into root 2 divided by pi. Okay, divided by pi into cos alpha. From that, if you simplify, cos alpha is equal to 0.3703. If you calculate your alpha value is 68.26 degree. So you have to write the answer for this MCQ question as answer B. Okay, answer B is the correct one for this problem. So here, so for the second part of the same question, exercise 5.36, second part of the question, they have given, you have to calculate firing angle of rated motor torque and the speed given as minus 1000 RPM. So they have given rated motor torque. That means you have to take IA value as 10 amps as such. For the previous one, you have taken half the rated. That's why 10 by 2, you have put 5 amps. Now for the question, rated motor torque and minus 1000 RPM. So again, the options, 4 options they are given as answers. You have to find out alpha and then you have to choose the correct one. Okay, for that, for the same equations, you have to simplify. Okay, you have to substitute in the equations. You already calculated at rated operation E value as 200 volt. Now they have given speed as minus 1000 RPM. So I have to find out E at minus 1000 RPM. So if I substitute in that equation, E is equal to minus 1000 divided by 1500 into 200, which is equal to minus 133.33 volt. I know my E. So next step, I have to calculate my VA, where VA is equal to E plus IARA. Now I have substituted E as minus 133.33 plus IA as 10 amps into RA as 2 ohm. So if I simplify this, my VA is equal to 113.33 volts, which is equal to, for fully controlled converter fed DC drives, my VA is equal to 2 Vm cos alpha divided by pi. So I have taken that equation and I have substituted where VA as minus 113.33, which is equal to 2 into root 2 into 230 into cos alpha divided by pi. If I simplify that equation, my cos alpha is minus 0.5475 or alpha value as 123.2 degree. So answer C is the correct option. Thank you.